30 to 40 from my mother.
And it is important that we share this because Australia is a very multicultural society today. We have hundreds of different cultures that come here. But in doing so, acknowledging the traditional owners and acknowledging elders of different cultures, welcoming you here, tasting your food. I've got to go down the assistant, can't taste that food, but I'd like to join with you and celebrating Harmony Day, Harmony Week. And can I taste some of that lovely food, please? Thank you. Thank you.
He also is very much alive on social media. He's everywhere on social media. He's got Baba's Halal Kitchen. He's got Baba's talk show, podcast, reviews. He does restaurant reviews. He's got a YouTube channel. He's on Facebook. He's on Instagram.
I'm here.
And he's here today. So please welcome Hussain Baba.
Can you stand and take a photo next to it? Can you take a photo with this plate?
We had a beautifully plated in a traditional dish, but you feel free.
No problem.
Now we go live again.
Anyone made some notes. This is a nice bit of no tasting beer.
Okay.
This one is cheese.
We have health insurance cover.
My favourite.
I'm trying the
colours are beautiful. I really like this. My favourites. I think this one's better than the last one. My favourite. I thought it was just lovely. Enough food in that.
Good, thank you.
Sorry?
Bosnia.
No. We hated it. I mean, the dessert was nice, and we liked the bread was nice. The dessert was nice, and the pepper was nice, so you actually want it's the East Coast music.
Can I get Hussain Baba to announce who's in here, please?
first of all, I would just like to mention that each one of you did a wonderful job. We enjoyed judging this food. The food was excellent. It came from different parts of the world. I was not ready early this morning, but it was really good. Now, it's very difficult to choose which is the best three, but we have to make a choice. So, the dish in the third place is, if I'm not mistaken, all right, it's okay, it's Bosnia.
We'd now like to announce who's come second. I'd just like to echo the comments of all the dishes were wonderful today. Thank you to everyone for your efforts in making such beautiful food for us to try. But there is only one that can be second, and that is Afghanistan.
On behalf of all the judges, first of all, it's our pleasure to judge such amazing food, and we were blown away by how much you love the food as well. And as a teacher, it's always lovely to see how much the students love their food and how they present it with such passion and how much they want to impress us and please us. And that's the same all around the world. Doesn't matter which country you're from. If you can share food, then you can share love. And if we share love, then we have harmony. That's what I believe. I'm just a chef, and what I do is cook, and what you guys have done today is just show us your heart and your culture and your love. So thank you for that. We are very pleased.
Harmony.
It is.
Harmony. This week is Harmony Week, so it represents harmony.
It's all right. You had your turn. He's a live wire, isn't he? Anyway, all right. So moving on, we decided that it was very hard to split all these, but so far we agreed that in Afghanistan you presented us the entire meal and the entire event, including the tea and the beautiful sides and the almonds and all that goes with that, was the whole meal. We felt your heart in that meal. And Bosnia, you made us make you third. You kept saying how much you were going to win, so we had to do it. But you loved it so much that it made us love it as well. So thank you, ladies, for that. We were quite split with the winner. There was a number of dishes that came in that we were like, oh, maybe. But the one that I think, from my point of view, I don't know if these guys would agree, but after 40 years of being a chef, it takes a lot for me to have something different. I judge competitions and I go around the world and I taste food from the best restaurant in the world, 11 Madison Park in New York City. And I come here to Nathan and have a dish I've never in my life seen before or tasted before. That blows me away as a chef of 40 years, I've got to say. So for me, and I know for Lesa and so on, we chose the dish I think that we all thought, wow, how did they do this? Like, we've never seen it before, parts of it we have eaten before, but we were mostly impressed with the dish from Ethiopia.
Thank you.
It was so lovely day. I really proud of IWAA team who organized such a successful event. I want to thank everyone who participated in that, from the office, Nura, Nihal, and from the team, the cook, the people who volunteered. I don't want to forget anyone, but I also like to welcome everyone who participated in this event. Everyone is winner. Yes, the judge made the decision, but I believe that everyone who participated today have a very unique, beautiful, tasty cultural food.
and we respect that. We appreciate everyone who participate, as well the people in the entertainment, the people who come and join us, the people who came to enjoy weekend with us. Thank you very much, every one of you. I just would like to give the first week.
Ladies first.
Thank you very much for that. It will be very lovely to have you again, and thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, the winner, which is the Ethiopian group, thank you very much. It was very lovely, very professional, and we're looking forward to have you again and again. Good luck. Okay.